this was leaking. That's what was on there. Copper insert was on there. And this slides over the copper pipe. Look at that. But something in there was leaking. So got this other one. Insert there, there. Gonna replace it. Just like it says there. There, that sleeve is that. And that nut, of course, is that. And there's the rest of it. That. So, normally, no, yeah, okay, yeah, it was leaking. So, anyways, I'm going to replace it. And I only got two hands, so that goes over that, I think. What's going on here? Yep, there we go. It'll stay, hopefully. And then this thing goes over that. And then it screws on to that. Hopefully it doesn't leak. So apparently you put that on there, slide down all the way. I thought it wouldn't turn because I thought it was soldered on there, but I guess not. Okay, so it goes on like that. Okay, this just slides down and then this tightens up on it. Okay, you'll need 2 inches to hold the top and hold the nut. And it's quite tight, so close it up and go turn on the water and test it. And it has to be quite tight. Not, well, quite tight. This is soft metal. Supposedly it compresses against the hard stainless steel fitting, which makes it a seal. So, which makes it seal properly. And they got that brass ring inside there, so no O-ring or anything, no rubber O-ring or anything, so I guess that's how it seals. Softer metal compresses against harder metal and got a seal. Anyways, I thought it wasn't tight enough, or it was still a little bit leaking, so I tightened it some more and now it's not leaking, so it's going to be quite tight.